Welcome again to our videos for Algebra 1. In these videos, I'm teaching you Algebra 1 in a series. And in the last video, I tried to convert sentences to equations. Now, this is another one, but here we have two variables. Let's start with the first problem. This is problem 3, and we're going to work on the first problem first. The problem says each video game costs $45. You also pay one-time membership. You have to pay it. Membership fee of $20. Let's see B, the total cost, and G, the number of games. Write a model for the cost of playing with that company or whatever. Here, as you can see, we have two variables, C and G. We're going to write a model, an equation, something that relates these two variables. Okay, so let's focus on the problem again. It says each video game costs $45. So you have one video game and you need to pay $45, but there is a one-time membership also, $20. So if C is the cost and G is the total, is the number of video games you have, so this is the total cost. So as you can guess, we need to have a $20 here. Why? Because this is fixed. It doesn't matter if you buy any game or not. This is the fee that you need to pay. All right. So how many games do you have now? Plus, let's say I have G games, and the number of games I have is G, and each game costs $45. $45 times G. So this is the cost of playing with that console or whatever. The constant fee and the fee you need to pay for each game. So imagine you have 3 games, or let's say 2 games. What is your cost? C is 20, the fixed one, plus 45 times 2, which is 90. So this gives us 90 plus 20, in total $110. All right, let's go to the next question. It says a bike rental shop charges $10 to rent a bike and $2.5 for each hour. Again, there is a constant fee, which is always there, $10. You want to rent a bike, you first need to pay $10. It doesn't matter if you ride or not, but for each hour, also you need to pay $2.5. Again, let's see B, the total cost, and H, the number of hours. Write a model for the total cost. Again, we have two variables here. C, the total cost, and H, the number of hours that you use that bike. So the total cost is, again, as you guess, is there should be a 10, a fixed amount, plus the number of hours you use a bike times the cost for the number of for each hour, which is 2.5. All right, let's say you use a bike for 4 hours. It means that H is 4. What is the total cost? C is 10 plus 2.5 times 4. 2.5 times 4 is 10, right? And 10 plus 10 is 20. So you need to pay $20 for using their service for 4 hours. The next and last question says your device has a battery life of 100%. You've already used U%, which is something. What is the remaining battery life? B. What are the variables? We have two variables here. The remaining battery life, which can change. The total capacity of your battery doesn't change because it's always 100. It doesn't matter if it's charged or not. The total capacity is 100%. Okay? But the remaining battery life can change as you use your battery or your device. And this also can change. The amount of battery that you use is also changed with time. And we need to find a relation between these two variables. How? This is the remaining battery life, B. It is always 100. It should be 100. Imagine you haven't used your device at all. You charge it and you haven't used it at all. So your battery life should be 100. But as you use your battery life, it drains your the energy. So 100 minus the amount you use, the percent that you use your device. So let's say that you used 15% of your battery life. So you should be 15% or simply 15. So B is 100 minus 15 and you get to 85. So your remaining battery life should be 85%. So this is a model for this problem. If you like this video, you may want to know that I have similar videos in which I teach Algebra 1, and I'm going to teach other courses like physics, other mathematics, geometry, and everything. So if you want that happen, just hit the like and subscribe us for more and have fun.